Now we'll test the accuracy of this trained model. Also, if you look carefully, there is a slight mistake we have done in the previous video. We have used this R script module, and this R script module consisting data of training data set. Actually, we should use data of training data set for training purpose. So we'll make changes here and we'll fed the data from training data set. Now the next thing we need to do here is we'll take to score model. One score model will take data from this training module of left hand side, and other terminal will take data from testing data set. So now we'll use this R script because this R script is containing data set of testing observation. Similar to this side as well. It might look a bit complicated if you'll see, but it's actually very easy. So run again, and after testing we need to evaluate. We need to see whether our system is doing fine or not, or we need to make any changes. So the next thing is we'll take an evaluate model, run all over again.